Here goes Katie trying to start the pressure washer so she can clean the trailer. Maybe push that red switch in the other direction. Yeah, now try it. Maybe it was on. You almost got it. One more time. I'll try pushing this red switch the other way then.
Is there like a...
No. Just pull it.
Is there gas?
It's got gas in it. Holy moly! Katie. Park here and work it out.
Had the little brother and the nephew to help out a little bit. They're doing a great job. Look at this chica. She looks so clean. OMG, I don't even think that's the same one. JK, it is. The little video so far, you can see we pit up here. Woo, so shiny. And look, you can see through the mirror or the window. And from that to this. Boom. Hey everybody, so last night I finished up late. It was kind of dark, so I didn't get to show you the results of power washing. So it looks so good. I'm very impressed. Obviously there's still a lot of work to be done on the outside. We're gonna have to polish it. You can see there's marks there all over. Look at those windows. OMG. Alright, we'll just bring it around. We moved the trailer in here also last night. We're gonna have to replace those and replace that. So I wasn't too concerned with getting those perfect. But yeah, it's looking really good.